Laser Cutting and Milling Composite Machining Center. The Aluminum Profile Laser Drilling and Milling Composite Machining Center is specifically designed for the processing of industrial aluminum profiles, doors, windows, curtain walls, and automotive parts and components. It integrates multiple functions including laser cutting, laser scoring, drilling, tapping, and milling, achieving multifunctionality in a single machine. Breaking through the limitation of single-function traditional equipment, it meets your diverse processing needs and enables one-stop processing from raw materials to finished products. Automatic lifting guarantees all-round operation safety. Featuring an enclosed protective mechanism, it delivers exceptional safety performance. The internationally universal CNC computer numerical control system is adopted. LAT is equipped with multiple processing modules such as laser cutting and CAM computer-aided manufacturing software, enabling graphical parameter input. No programming is required. LAT features user-friendly, foolproof operation. The software interface is open, allowing direct processing by scanning codes or importing files. The rotary worktable enables the completion of machining on 3 surfaces with a single clamping operation. The shock-absorbing fixtures employed effectively reduce vibrations and noise while preventing scratches on aluminum profiles. The shock-absorbing fixtures employed effectively reduce vibrations. It is equipped with a 9 kW electric spindle, offering robust torque and achieving a maximum speed of 24,000 revolutions per minute, enabling high-speed drilling, tapping, and cutting operations, and 3 kW laser spindle torque to accelerate your production process. The 3 kW laser generator efficiently provides laser output, 3 kW during laser output to ensure the proper and normal operation of the laser generator. It features an automatic tool change system equipped with a straight-line 6-station tool magazine. The automatic tool change system can rapidly switch tools according to process requirements to meet various machining needs. A high-precision tool setter is employed, enabling automatic tool measurement that is both convenient and efficient. Improve processing coherence and efficiency, making your production smoother. X-axis travel 3000 mm, Y-axis travel 400 mm, Z-axis travel 350 mm. Laser spindle power 3 kW laser wavelength 1080 nm. Achieve high-quality cutting results with a smooth cutting surface and a small heat-affected zone. Electric spindle efficient cutting, finished cutting surface flat and smooth.